Hello and welcome, fellow subscribers and other racing fans. Today we have a bit of a different episode of Talk with Tony. No racing and no Project Cars news. Well, maybe it is. Decide for yourself. It's about a little script I have written to help with displaying standings and drivers around you on the stream. But you will see it can also be used if you're not streaming, as it's working via a normal HTML website. So where do we start? First, let me show what I'm up to, so that you know what I'm talking about and what you can expect from my little script. In the background you see it at work. It consists of two independent from each other parts. The one part is seen on the left, which displays the standings within a race. All drivers are displayed with the gaps to the drivers in front of them. Also, this little list shows position changes with a red, respectively a green color. That's all it does, basically. It's there to show you an overview over the race and where everyone is on track. So now, what do we have on the right side? Just by the way, you can place those widgets wherever you want, because they are two independently from each other working websites. So if you're not streaming, you can also just view the little widgets within your browser on a second screen or even on a second PC. Okay, now come back to the relative widget on the right. Well, basically I tried my best with the available information to copy the iRacing relative screen. However, as I have to use the shared memory, there's only positions on track and the driver's names available. So what can it display? It can display who's around you on track, no matter which position they are in. It displays the gaps in seconds to those people around you. It shows their race positions, and it also shows if they are a lap down, so if you need to lap them, or if they are a lap up and they will lap you. This is done with color codes red and blue, like the iRacing tool does as well. So now you know what it can do. Let me also tell you what it can't do. It's based on the shared memory. I'm using the little crest called tool from Lars Rosenquist. At this point, thank you very much for creating such a wonderful little tool that makes the life much easier to write little scripts and widgets for Project Cars. Of course, that means we don't have lap times for all participants. That also means it's only working on PC right now. And no, you can't display it directly in your game, it's just external. I have intended to use this for streamers, so you can display the data on your stream. That's the main purpose. Everything else is just a side effect. Since everything is based on JavaScript and CSS, everyone with a little bit of knowledge regarding those technologies can easily adjust the visuals of those little widgets as well as the features. Really, just go into the code and change it. There's really nothing which holds you off that. Well, okay, that's everything about the tool, I think. I showed you around, told you what it is able to do and what is not possible right now. Also, you might see that certain Unicode characters are not shown correctly. That's because the tool from Lars Rosenquist is probably not capable of Unicode right now, but I already talked to him and he will look into it. So in the future, I guess we will have full Unicode support. If you want to know how to put those things on your stream, it's very easy really. If you're using OBS, Open Broadcaster software, you just need the browser plugin, or just download OBS with browser plugin. There's a bundle with that on their website. And then under sources, add browser source, click on local file and choose the HTML file you want to use. That's all, really. I hope you like that little tool, and if you want to use it, no problem, just go into the thread I'm linking down below. All information are in there. Ask me if you have problems, tell me what you like and dislike, tell me what I can improve for the future. And if you're not interested in the widget and you watched the video nonetheless, then thank you as well. Anyway, hope you enjoyed and see you next time. Bye bye.